welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn and welcome back to another Jordyn video. So today for this video, we're going to be making a Vsco aesthetic of phone cases. Ooh, so fancy. So I ordered 3 clear phone cases from Amazon, and they're just the typical iPhone XR cases. Here, let me open them. Here's what they look like, just plain and a clear iPhone XR, and these are going to be like the blank canvases. So then I got 2 sticker packs from Amazon also, and they're super cute, but they were a little bigger than I expected, but we can make it work. And I'm just going to show you what they all look like. A lot of stickers, so let me show you the other pack. Ooh. Both packs came with so many stickers. There were a lot of stickers in each pack. I'm gonna have stickers for a days. They were bigger than I expected, so I'm gonna have to trim them down in order to make some of them fit. But other than that, they are super cute and I really like them a lot. Both of these sticker packs were like under $5, so if you want to create your own like DIY Vsco case, I'll put my link in the description for the stickers. So for the first case, I'm going to do like a cluster, so like kind of overlapping. So I'm gonna pick out what stickers I want to use. These are the stickers I have picked out. I picked a Nike sneaker, this cool space one, the UGG, this lady with the Supreme, and then this super cute Polaroid camera under. And then I'm going to cut out like a flower or 2 and place them in the empty space. lot. I like how the blue background on it. It looks so cool. I really like it a lot. It came out really well. For the second one, I'm going to go like for a yellowish theme kind of, because the last one was like pastel, pretty much pink theme. So I got all my stickers picked out. So here they are, the little corgi, the nugs. I'm going to cut out the bee for this one and cut out the rainbow and maybe the radiate positivity. So much, I really do. So this is the last one. I kind of went like with the first one theme, kind of like overlapping each other like that, and I really like this one. It's like a lot of colors, pastel colors. I love that a lot. So let's get placing. This is what the last one looks like, and I love it a lot. It looks so cute. So all three of these phone cases turned out really cute, really cute. It was a really fun DIY, and it was super easy also. It's like you only need like two things, like a case and stickers, and then you can make it. It's so much fun too. So these are gonna go on my Instagram. I'm gonna take pics of them. So make sure you guys go follow me there. And the link to my Instagram is in my description, and also the link to the stickers and phone cases are there also. So you can make your own, and if you do, make sure you tag me. So yeah, I really like these like phone case DIY. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up to let me know if you guys like them as well. Maybe I could do like painting my phone cases too. That would be really fun. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. All that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time.